Welcome to my kitchen intuition. Just watch what I will be making next. Welcome to my kitchen intuition. An honor to have you here today. My name is Marita Lynn, and I'm so happy to share this easy breakfast recipe with you. A lot of my clients ask me for ideas all the time about breakfast because that's one of the meals of the day that people have trouble making it in regards of creating something healthy. So I have some ideas that I came up to using ingredients that are good for you. This is one ingredient that some people may not like it, or some people can also be allergic, but this ingredient is really good for you. Has a lot of antioxidants. It fights a lot of illnesses. Can be actually a great antibiotic, for us when we're sick. It can be really good. And this ingredient is mushrooms. So we're going to make a mushroom omelet with goat cheese, and I'm going to add some herbs. So I got here in my pan some olive oil that is heating. So I'm going to add the mushrooms. I'm not adding a lot of mushrooms, just enough that can actually make that omelet a little bit hearty and with some texture, additional texture, because the omelets are supposed to have great texture. So this is the mushrooms, and I'm going to add some herbs to that, and then we're going to add the eggs. And this is very simple and easy, like a to-go kind of breakfast that you can have in the morning, and also to make sure that you're getting ingredients that are going to set your day with good energy, and you're going to feel good because you know that you're eating healthy ingredients. So we're going to add some salt and pepper to it. So now that we saute our mushrooms, I'm going to add some herbs that I found in my fridge. I got some cilantro leaves, and I got some thyme. I love thyme leaves because it goes really well with mushrooms. I really love that flavor. So we're gonna let that mix. So while this mix, we're going to mix our eggs. So we're gonna get them ready for our omelet. I'm making a 3 eggs omelet. I love cage-free, of course, brown eggs. Those are my favorite. I love organic eggs, brown eggs, and this is what I would recommend everybody that works with me. Make sure they're well mixed. You can also air mix them so they can have some airy texture when you cook the omelets. It's also a great idea. I remember my mom used to air the eggs, and our omelets used to be so fluffy. They were so good. So I got it well mixed here. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. We're going to mix. And we're going to add into our pan. So we're gonna let it cook. I wanna make sure and show you not to have color, not either on the edges or in the omelet. When you go to work at any high-end restaurant, any French restaurant, whoever is being French trained chef knows that actually the first thing that they've been asked to make is an omelet. And if the omelet doesn't come right, doesn't mean you're a good cook. So here I'm proving to you what type of chef that I am. So for this omelet, I got some goat cheese. I love goat cheese. It's healthier than regular cheese, and it just gives this tangy flavor to the food. This is looking good. So we want to make sure that the omelet is cooked through, but there is not a burnt color. I'm just flipping it here and making sure that it's getting cooked on the inside too. And then I'm going to serve, and then we're gonna eat. This is a very easy and fast, really quick dish to make. So you don't have to make a perfect omelet. The whole point is to make something that is going to taste delicious and is going to be good for you. Here I have the final product that is not perfect, but it looks delicious, of my omelet. I know I'm a good chef and I might be judged like I'm not because the way it looks, but I think it's good. And the most important thing is that I know it's going to be delicious and it looks really good and it tastes really good. Let me try a little piece and see. I got some herbs on top just to make sure. Delicious. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Marita Lynn, and it's my pleasure to share with you these amazing recipes that not only delicious, but they are good for you and give you an idea of how you can incorporate healthy and delicious breakfast ideas in your kitchen. My name is Marita Lynn, and from My Kitchen Intuition, my website is www.mykitchenintuition.com. I will appreciate if you subscribe, like this video, and share with people that will love to see this recipe. Thank you so much. Love you.